In this example, we'll be backporting a change from the development stream to the maintenance stream. We have a task 94 open for this, which says that we need to backport bug 93 in the patch release. We have already loaded a repository workspace for the maintenance stream. More details about this bug are contained in bug 93, so let us traverse to this bug. Let me go to the links page. Here we see that there are 5 change sets attached to this work item, and we need to accept all these 5 in order for porting to complete. So before that, let me just verify that these changes are not already there in the maintenance stream. So for that, we'll use the locate change set editor. So I'll click on this and go to locate change set editor. Now I'll need to add a stream to this. So let me add development as well as maintenance stream. And let me also add the repository workspace. Now here we see that maintenance stream as well as the maintenance workspace do not contain these change sets. These are contained only in the development stream. So now we will go ahead with the accept. Now here it says that all the change sets prior to this current change sets are not there in the repository workspace, so a gap will be created. Let us press OK here. Now in the pending changes view, we see that there is a new decorator which says that there are pending gaps for resolution. Now let us open the merge gap editor. Here you will see that although we accepted 5 change sets, there is only one change set which is being shown over here. That is because changes can be merged only one at a time. So if I go to pending page, we see that there are 4 more change sets which are pending to be accepted. Now let me expand the changes folder. Here we see that the change got auto resolved, so we can mark it as complete. Now it shows that there is no change which is currently being accepted. So I can either continue accepting or go to the pending page to see what are the next changes which will be accepted. So I'll press accept button over here. So it picks the next change set in the list and starts accepting that. Let us try to auto resolve it. And we see that change got auto resolved. It is important to notice here that some changes can be accepted cleanly and some may result in gaps. So let me mark this one also as complete. Now we are left with 3 change sets in the pending change set list. So I'll start accepting again. Now assume that while resolving, we realize that this change is already in our workspace due to some other changes that we made earlier. So we don't want to accept this. So we'll go ahead and discard this change set since it is not required in our workspace. It prompts me that whether you want to discard this change set or you want to discard and requeue the change set. We'll just say discard over here. It will remove the change set from the list as well as remove any changes that were done as a part of resolving the change. Now we see that there are no more changes in the pending change set list as well as there is no change set in the current change set list. So we'll just close the editor. Now here we see that there are 4 outgoing change sets now. This is because we discarded one of the change sets, so we are left with 4. Right? Let me associate work item to these. Now let us go ahead and deliver. After doing this, all these changes should have appeared in my maintenance stream as well as maintenance workspace. So we'll just go ahead and verify that. So for verifying, we again open the locate change set editor. We right click on this and say locate change sets. I'll need to add stream over here. So let me add development as well as maintenance stream. And let me also add the maintenance repository workspace. The maintenance stream contains 4 out of 5 change sets. That is because we discarded one of the change sets. Similarly for the maintenance workspace. Now another interesting thing is here it says that 2 changes got included directly and 2 got included indirectly. That is because 2 of the change sets were cleanly accepted and 2 could not be accepted cleanly. Now if you hover on this, you will see that what are the change sets which could not be accepted directly and what are the original associated changes to those.